to my channel. If you're not yet subscribed, please consider to press this button below so you won't miss my new videos. And today I'm making a very easy dinner option you can have on your table. This is rice pepper rolls. Rice pepper rolls is a perfect dish because you can make them so many different ways. You can choose your stuffing, the stuffing you like. It could be chicken, meat, fish or just vegetarian. Today I will make my rice pepper rolls with the smoked salmon and tuna. So let's get started.
Make sure you cut and prepared all your ingredients beforehand. The working area is set up and everything is ready to go. I'm soaking noodles in a hot water and I already got my sliced cucumbers and avocados ready. We would need a large bowl with warm water for rice pepper sheets to soak. Soak rice pepper sheets in the warm water for a few seconds, lift it out of water and place on a flat surface. So now you can add all your favorite stuffing. I'll start with smoked salmon, then I place an avocado slice, my noodles, and roll it all together. Tuck the corners. And then you continue to roll spring roll all the way down. Now roll as many spring rolls as you like, try different fillings and enjoy the process. So now I will roll my tuna rolls. It's pretty same way. First I place tuna, then cucumber and noodles. Roll it same way. The rice pepper rolls are the best eaten freshly made and they are not that good after a few hours. Enjoy with your favorite dipping sauce. I would recommend a peanut sauce, but for today I have just a soy sauce. Thanks for watching this video. Please like if you enjoy it and have a wonderful day. Bye!